Presentation of birds. Features of birds. Birds have wings and most of them can fly. They have light and hollow bones. They have feet and claws. They don't have teeth, instead have beak which is used to tear by chisel crusher through their food. Birds have streamlined bodies which help them to fly. Types of beaks. Crushing beak. Sparrow and pigeon have crushing beak for crushing seeds and grains to make it soft before eating. Curved beak. Parrot has a curved beak for cracking nuts and seeds. It can imitate our voice. Shifting beak. Duck has a flat and broad beak which has small holes on both sides. It can sift food from mud and water. Sticky beak. A swallow has a small and broad beak. It catches flies while flying. The beak is sticky from inside. Probing beak. Sunbird has long and slender beak to suck nectar from flowers. Birds of prey. They have sharp and strong claws to firmly hold the prey while flying. Wading birds. Crane and jacana have long legs and wide spreading toes. They help them to walk in shallow water or mud. The wide spreading toes prevent the body from sinking in water. Scratching bird. Hen has strong feet with 3 toes in front and one at the back. Each toe has a sharp claw to scratch the ground in search of seeds and insects. Swimming bird. Duck and penguins have webbed feet to swim.